Hi there, how's it going? This is Dean here from Recommended.com. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the irritating message, "This site cannot be reached," error message, just in few clicks. Welcome back. Have you ever encountered a frustrating error message when trying to access a website, whether on Google or any other browser? If you are using Windows, there are some easy fixes you can try. First of all, head on to your Windows search bar and type in Control Panel to open it. Then click on Network and Internet. From there, we head on to Network and Sharing Center. Here, click on your active network connection and then select Properties. Next, select Internet version 6 to disable it. Click OK to save the changes, and then try to load the web page you were previously having trouble with. Did it work? If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tricks. If this has not worked, the first thing you should do is to check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on and that you are connected to a network. You can also try resetting your router by unplugging it for a few seconds and then plugging it back. If your internet seems fine, the next thing you can try is cleaning your browser cache and cookies. To do this, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the Google Chrome and select Settings. Then scroll down to Privacy and Security. Click on Clear Browsing Data and select the time range you want to clear. Make sure to select cookies and other site data and cached images and files before clicking Clear Data.
www.rackmedia.com.
If clearing your cache and cookies doesn't work, another thing you can try is resetting your browser settings. Go back to Settings menu in your browser and scroll all the way down the bottom. Click on Advanced, then Reset and Clean Up, and finally reset settings. This will restore your browser to its original settings and may fix the error message. If you are using different browsers, then you will find all these options. Just search for resetting the browser. Finally, if none of these options work, you can try changing your DNS server. DNS stands for Domain Name System, and it is what translates website name into IP addresses so that your computer can access them. Sometimes changing your DNS server can help resolve issues and website connectivity. To change your DNS server, go back to the Control Panel on your Windows computer and click on Network and Internet. Then Network and Sharing Center. From there, click on your active network connection, select Properties, and scroll down to Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IP version 4. Click on it and then click Properties. From here, you can choose to use a different DNS server by selecting Use the following DNS server addresses and entering in the appropriate information. You can find popular third-party DNS servers online, such as Google's public DNS server, which is 8888 and 8844. Did it work? If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. This is your host, Izzeddin. Peace. And with this, we have reached the end. Keep tuned for our coming tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please have them below and subscribe if you want more helpful videos like this. See you around. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower, and connect you.
www.rackmedia.com.